Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to answer a question. Can you do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog? This is one of the most common questions when it comes to starting an affiliate marketing business. Do I need my own website, or can I still do affiliate marketing without a website/blog? Well, as you can kind of see in the title, I kind of spoiled it actually, I just realized. The title is actually how to do affiliate marketing without a website or blog, so I guess that pretty much kind of answers the question in and of itself. You definitely do not need a website or a blog to succeed with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you could still succeed in affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a website, even if you don't have a blog, and even if you are completely brand new without no following or a massive budget to get started with. So I'm very excited for this video. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always bringing new content every single day that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to build an online business, and different ways on how you could, of course, make a passive income online. So if you enjoy videos like this, if you enjoy content just like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below if you haven't done so already, so that this way you could be notified of all the new videos whenever I post them on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the topic. So let's paint this scenario out right here. You get started in affiliate marketing, and what is the first thing that most people primarily do? Well, they join an affiliate program such as ClickBank, or there's plenty of other ones that you could, of course, join, and then you could choose whatever product it is that you want to, of course, promote. So essentially how it works is you can join ClickBank or any other affiliate marketplace. You could look through any of the different niches. For example, I could decide to get into the health and wellness niche if I'm, passionate about that. And I could promote any of the products in this niche right here. For example, we've got this product right here called Lepitox, biggest payouts ever. And for every single sale that you get of this product right here, you can get around $68.62 for one single sale. So pretty good, right? And essentially how it works is you click on the promote button, you type in your username for ClickBank. Of course, you need your account for that. You click on, generate the links, and then you get your link here. And then essentially how it works is anytime you refer someone to that specific link and they buy the product, you get paid a commission. So pretty cool, right? Well, here's the unfortunate reality with most people. Most people never succeed with affiliate marketing because what most people do is they take the affiliate link right here and then they decide, okay, I'm just going to send a bunch of clicks straight to this link right here. Now, the number one thing that you must understand, especially if you are sending traffic, let me close this out before that video starts playing. The number one thing that you must understand before you start, marketing anything online, especially if it's on like a, huge marketplace such as ClickBank or JVZoo, is that there's going to be, hundreds, if not tens, like thousands of other affiliates promoting the exact same offer right here. So the number one thing that you must really take into consideration is that if you truly want to get long-term consistent results, above average results, where you could be really setting this whole thing up as, like an entire full-time business that you could truly rely on, then my number one recommendation is that you want to really put in the work to make yourself stand out from everyone else. And the way that you really do this is by, for one, you need to have a good marketing system into place. And what I mean by that is you could set up a sales funnel through a software such as ClickFunnels, and there's plenty of other ones that you could, of course, join. But ClickFunnels is the number one recommended sales funnel that I personally use right here. And again, you can get like a free trial of this. You could check it out. And this is what allows you to build out your own sales funnel where it's completely unique from, what is, from what everyone else is using, where they're just sending it straight to the affiliate link. And from here, you could actually set up your own, you could have your own headline, you could have your own, like opt-in page, you could have your own video where you're putting yourself out there, you are introducing yourself, and ideally you want to make yourself stand out from everyone else. You want to make sure, you want to give your own personal story and share your own experience with the actual product. Ideally, I do recommend having some sort of experience using the actual product yourself, because when you promote something, that you have actually used and you believe in yourself, then you are operating on a level of moral authority. And this is where people actually, they trust you a lot more because they see that you're actually passionate about the product. You're not just in it just for the sake of, getting a quick buck online, which most people, unfortunately, when they come online, is that they're constantly looking to, promote one product, they just want to spam their affiliate link all over the place and hope that they make money. Well, that's really not the way that you want to go about it if you truly want long-term results online. So ideally what you want to have is you want to take the time to build out your own personal sales funnel for whatever product it is that you're promoting, whether it's, a health and wellness product, whether it's, any other niche that you could think of, any marketplace, whatever it is that you want to promote. You always want to make sure that you truly, you look different than everyone else, because everyone else is just most people, like 90% of affiliates, they're going to be spamming their affiliate link all over the place. And, that's just really not the way that you want to go about it, because a lot of these products, they tend to get oversaturated. So that is really the first step right there, is that you need to have your own custom built sales funnel into place. And ideally you want to have a good email follow-up sequence as well. And you could all do this with like a software like Aweber. This is what I personally use. This is the one that I personally recommend. There's other ones like like GetResponse, which I hear is pretty good, but Aweber is what I personally use. And again, they also offer like a free trial that you can get right here. But essentially, once you have that, then this is when you could start promoting the link to the the capture page that you of course built up in ClickFunnels, and then you could start creating content on a consistent basis. Now, my personal recommendation is that you ideally want to be creating content, like my number one recommendation is actually YouTube. And the benefit with YouTube is that it's completely free to start. You don't need to invest anything up front. And video is actually one of the most powerful ways to build trust with your audience. Really, really think of it like this, right? Every single video that you put out there on, whether it's on a daily basis, whether it's on a weekly basis, like if you have, like 100 videos that you put out, within like a year or something like that, think of it like this. Every single piece of content that you put out there on the internet is like a salesperson working for you 24/7. As long as people are finding the videos that you're putting out there, as long as people are getting lots of value from the content that you're providing and the information that you're sharing, then those videos will pretty much sell on you, pretty much sell for you pretty much on autopilot. So that's really the entire benefit of using a platform like YouTube, is because rather than having a website, you could set up a YouTube channel. Really all you need is just a Google account. And as long as you have that, then you could set up a YouTube account. But then all you'd want to do is you'd want to start putting out content on a consistent basis. And I'm actually going to go to my YouTube channel right here, just so you can kind of see like an example of, what this essentially looks like. So this is my YouTube channel right here that I've been building up. I recently changed the name. It's not just my name anymore. It's Affiliate Jumpstart is what I changed the brand name. But as you can see here, if I go to videos, over the past, I'd say like a little over 2 months, I've been putting out content pretty much on a daily basis. So as you can see here, these are all the videos that I'm, putting up. And it's videos primarily in like the affiliate marketing / make money online niche. And essentially how this works is in every single video, I have links in my descriptions where people who watch my videos, they could choose to check out any of the resources that I recommend, whether it is, tools such as ClickFunnels, or like Aweber, or even like my number one recommended training down below, which is like a free 4-day training that I put together. If you want to check that out, you can get access to that, and that'll go even more into depth about how to really succeed with affiliate marketing. But essentially in those links, those are my affiliate links, where when someone decides to buy a product, then I would get paid a commission. So that's really the entire strategy. That's really how it works. And ideally, the more content that you put out there on a consistent basis, the easier it is going to be for your channel to, of course, get noticed. So that's really what it comes down to. You need to be willing to stay consistent with a platform such as YouTube, or even another option that you can go is you could even use Facebook. Facebook is, I know, is a really good platform as well, because Facebook is by far the largest social media platform out there. I mean, there's like billions of people now on Facebook. Like I think like on like a daily basis. I think like from what I heard, it was like half the world or like half the population is on Facebook like on a daily basis. So that's pretty crazy to think that. And you ideally want to think about that, as like from like a marketing perspective with any product that you decide to promote. Think of it like this. Facebook is one of the best platforms that you could use to connect with people. I'd say Facebook is primarily best for connecting with people one-on-one. So if you consider yourself like a people person, or if you like connecting with people, then Facebook is a very great platform for that. But ideally what you would want to be doing is you'd want to be putting out content on Facebook on a consistent basis. Like Here's someone that I've actually been following on here for a while, Sarah Louise. It's pretty cool that her post showed up here. So notice in pretty much all of her posts, she pretty much, kind of like shares like, like stories. She gives, like value. She's not spamming out affiliate links. She's not trying to, hey, check out my offer right here. Check out this, link or something like that. She's not doing anything like that. She's, sharing, personal, like, stories and all that type of stuff like that. Do you want to learn how I've gone from spending hours on my phone every day feeling burnt out to now achieving consistent results that enabled me to spend more time doing what I love every day? That's pretty cool. 15,250 total income. It's pretty cool there. So as you can see, posts like these are known to get lots of engagement on Facebook. If you put out content like this where you're sharing personal stories or information that you of course learned, and you're not just there to pitch your affiliate link right then and there, this is how you get lots of engagement on your posts. And then what you could do is, as you are putting out this content on a consistent basis, you could be engaging with the people that, they comment on your posts that you're putting out there. And then you could also reach out to them in Messenger. You could connect with them one-on-one. And if they have any sort of, pain that they are currently facing, if they are looking to get rid of a certain problem in their life, then you could recommend any product that, of course, fixes that solution. So if you're in the health and wellness niche and you've got people that want to learn how to lose weight, you could recommend a product such as, like this product that I mentioned earlier, Lepitox. And that's a product that you could, of course, send people to if you have your own sales funnel built up and your email autoresponder sequence right there. So that's really the entire strategy on how that works. And I again, ideally want to be creating content on a consistent basis. I feel like YouTube is, that's the platform that I primarily use. That's what I feel is the number one method to really go. But Facebook is still a really great platform too. You can connect with people one-on-one. It isn't necessarily set up where you could fully like automate it like how YouTube is, because with YouTube, you're putting out videos on a consistent basis, and then every single video that you put out, since YouTube is also like a search engine, people primarily go on YouTube to, of course, look up some things. Like the people go on YouTube to, look up how to make money online, how to get into better shape. And as long as you have videos in specific search phrases that people are, of course, looking up, then it's going to be very easy for your videos to get noticed on a consistent basis. And as long as that is, pretty much going on and people are finding your videos, then it's going to be very easy for you to get lots of passive income in the long term. Facebook, I'd say, requires a bit more legwork. You have to be connecting with people one-on-one, but it is still a great way to get, sales in the door. But essentially you want to be putting out, valuable content, like stories. Here's another guy that I'm friends with on here, David Linares, or I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce his last name, but you got to believe that the work you put in today, that if you did your best with me, with time, you could execute, is enough in due time to get you to the next level. So again, he's putting out like a story right here. And essentially he's built, I know he's also built a good portion of his business through creating content on Facebook and then engaging with people in Messenger. So those are really the two primary ways that you want to go about it. You definitely want to have a good marketing system built into place, and then you want to be leveraging preferably either YouTube or Facebook. Those two social media platforms I'd say are the best to really go with. Personally, I prefer YouTube. I think it's the best platform to really consider, other than having your own personal website. But even Facebook is still a great platform because you can connect with lots of people all around the world, and it's a great way, especially with connecting with people one-on-one, if you consider yourself a people person. But that isn't pretty much the entire strategy there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel, and also be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Let me know if you found this video helpful and if you plan on actually taking action on what you have learned in this video. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to really build a long-term business through the concept of affiliate marketing, and you want to learn how to create more of a passive income where you can fully automate your business and be able to work on your own terms, then my number one link in the description down below will give you access to my free training, and that shows you more into depth about how to really build a long-term business online and actually get the long-term results. Hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.